In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Yahoo Mail filter in just 5 minutes. Setting up a filter can really streamline your email experience by automatically organizing incoming messages based on specific criteria. This means less time sifting through your inbox and more time focusing on what's important. Let's dive right in and make this process as easy as possible for you. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Yahoo Mail sign-in page. Once you're there, you'll need to enter your username. This is the name you use to log into your Yahoo account, so make sure you have that ready. After typing in your username, go ahead and click the Next button to proceed. Now it's time to enter your password. Remember, passwords can be case sensitive, so make sure that your caps lock isn't accidentally turned on. After typing in your password, click on Next again. This will officially log you into your Yahoo Mail account. Once you're in, navigate to your email settings. You'll typically find this in the upper right hand corner of your screen, usually represented by a gear icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop down menu where you'll want to select More Settings. This opens up a new window with more detailed options for customizing your Yahoo Mail account to better suit your needs. Now look for the Filters option in the menu. This is where you can start creating rules for how incoming emails are handled. Click on Filters and then choose Add New Filter. This takes you to a screen where you can specify the parameters for your filter. Next, you'll need to type a unique name for your filter. It can be anything that helps you remember the purpose of the filter, something descriptive. Once you've named your filter, it's time to define the criteria. This step is crucial as it determines which emails will be sorted through this filter. You can enter a specific sender's email address, keywords from the subject line, or particular content within the email body. After setting up the criteria, choose the destination folder for the filtered emails. This could be an existing folder, or you might want to create a new one for better organization. The choice is entirely up to you based on how you prefer your emails to be sorted and saved. Finally, don't forget to save the filter you've just created. Without saving it, Yahoo Mail won't apply any of the rules you've worked so hard to set up. Once saved, your filter is active and will begin sorting your emails according to the criteria you specified. And there you have it, your very own Yahoo Mail filter.